Hello, everything okay and fine?
Hello, 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 hello. 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 My voice is clear. Hello. Hello. Okay, we are good to go. Is my voice clear? Hello. So Okay, we are good to go. Hi everyone. Let me set the context with this video. The point is that let me set the context of the video. I am a SEO. Actually, I am a started my career as a WordPress designer, and lately I moved to the SEO job. Currently, I am working as a senior SEO. You can say expert in a firm, but I wanna move my career. I think we should evolve with our time. Like if you stick to one particular role, then growth after will always be limited. So you always have to be improved. And I just started my career as a React.js developer, and the point is that React.js is still the most famous framework, and at that point of my career, Next.js also moving. So the thing is, I I am pretty good at the React.js, but yeah, that's good. So the context of this video, we create uh, a simple project. Let me copy the outline, and we today we create a simple project. Okay, let me give you a task. Yeah, I think pretty good. Task or MD. I think I can open a preview for you. Yeah, that's it. Let me delete this instruction, which is of course AI generated. Uh, yeah, that's it. So if you see that is pretty solid setup pattern foundation, user module authentication, and after all, we can use these as the exact scenario in Postman. Uh, if you don't know what the Postman, it is a client for your backend. So I am assuming that you are just a beginner and you are trying to learn something new, and due to dopamine hits, you are completely crushed. So that's it. So what we are creating? We are creating a cricket project, a simple cricket fantasy. If you ask for me, then I am pretty sure I don't read these instructions, which is I just ask Cloud give me a project for my learning, and he just dropped. You can see something, and I will use these step by step instruction uh, to build this project. Okay. First of all, he's saying that you have to change the folder name. So we have to go in terminal. This is our terminal. If you see, I am currently downloads cricket project. Let me, should I change the name or create a new folder? Let me change the name only. Uh, First, our task is to rename this. Yeah, so I think we have to move there. Mm, what's happening now? Let me open this again and cancel this one. And let me see if it is no, it is not. Let me add the correct one. Screen capture. Let me remove this. Yes, add a new source. I am just new to OBS Studio. It is pretty much complex. I still figuring out how to do these tasks. Now it's clear. Okay, let's move to again and let's see preview. So yeah, let me why I cannot. Yeah, okay. So we did our first task, which is create cricket project backend, and we are still in this. You can say Java. Now our next task is get in it. So the point is the whole creating this project. The only purpose for that is to learn something with me. Like if you have any question, I think it's a pretty much boring stuff for you. I'm just doing so that I have you can say any kind of responsibility when we build something in the public. Then we remain responsible. Like people criticize you, people judge you, people motivate you. It's gonna be a you can say discipline. Discipline is a more important thing than anything else. So the next task we have to do is get in it. Um, so let me see everything. Okay, why it's still yeah it's okay, and I think we are good to go. Let me see if my voice clear or not. I'm not sure what this is happening, and I have to check time to time. And I think it's pretty much good. Hello. Uh, Now I think now I think it's good to go. Uh, First thing we have to do. मैं ऐसा लगता नहीं. Okay. So the next task we have to do is get in it. Uh, so the point of note is that everything we are doing in this case or pretty much easy. Like if you see get in it. Actually, I would not teach you step by step things like what is get in it. Uh, but the truth is, I will just give you a I will just give you a yes. Now I think now I okay. Okay, I think I have changed some setting. Uh, I it was from user perspective, it is completely a bullshit. Like these kind of setup. Okay, let's resume our. I think I'm so sorry for that. There are some issues in the thing I am doing. Let's get in it. Git is, you can say that it is a version control system, and you can easily track what your process is going on and how, and basically you can manage all your things within the Git. So it's pretty much easy. Okay, let's do the Git init. I just copy that and initiate. If I can show you, yes, Git branch. It started. Let me get. Okay, so this is asking me filter predict backend on master. I will enter. Uh, Let me see what it means. I am still confused, and let me also show you another thing. Add source, screen capture, window capture. I think. Okay, uh, it's good. I think it's good. We can move on. Okay, and let me ask. Can you tell me what mean by get init and why we use it? Okay, let's see what he give answer. Okay, he's saying creates a new empty Git repository in a front folder. Okay, that's it. Git init, Git create, hidden a Git folder. Okay, we can't see that at Git folder because it's unnecessary. So you run a folder is just regular folder. After you run it, that folder become a Git repository. So basically means that if you have to start a Git project or repo, then you have to run this command. And okay, that's pretty much easy. Version control, blah blah blah. Okay, 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 okay. Uh, that's good. Okay, okay. Uh, so why? Okay, we run this. Let's time to run copy. Okay, this command make a folder. This initialize a Git repo, and this one actually create a configure file. Like if you can see name, this is folder name, this is version, blah blah blah. Main file is index.js. Like this file is expecting from this folder index.js. And this is script, keyword, author, blah blah blah. This is unnecessary. We don't need it. Okay, let's move on the next thing. What we do is npm install express mongo. Express is a backend framework. Like what is framework? Framework is nothing. I think I will better see if I show you. Yeah, how can I show you? I think express framework. This is express framework. Let me see. No, yeah. Okay, that's good. So this is express.js website. It's pretty much good, fast, unopinionated, minimalist web framework for Node.js. I think it's pretty much good. Uh, so the point to note is that Express.js is just a framework that helps to provide a better pattern of our content, and it makes a lot of easier work for us. So we can go ahead with it. Yeah, it's so amazing. Uh, let's let's do that. Uh, I think these are jargons, but let me tell you one by one. Express writing better backend. Mongoose is for your database. .env for your credential because you can't store in the plain JS file. Uh, Technically you can, but you should not. And course, I don't know what is it. We will explore. By crypto as the name suggests, it will be for corruption. We will explore because you know that I am not a guy. I'm just learning, exploring. So by crypt we will see what is doing, and after that we will see JSON web token. We will dive in what it is, and after that Exos. Exos, I think one thing I want to say that these things all related to backend. Okay, let's run this. We don't think so much. Okay, because let me control C clear. By the way, I am using you can see a Linux system for my uh, uh, as a my primary machine, but you can go with the Windows. Yeah, personally, I like the Linux because it's pretty much easy and have everything backend, and it also remove your fear. Like by default we are fear of you can say much of thing like for development new technologies and framework, but with that the help of that we can easily go ahead. Okay, I am just don't waste so much time. It's not a rocket science. Yeah, let's see what it does. Okay, That's good. Let's see what this command does. Uh, Something I know from experience, which I have told you on the go, but something which I don't know, we will help with the AI. So he tell us what it is. So Nodimon is a server, like it helps to run a server. Okay, okay. It's saying npm install Nodimon. Okay, let's just run create git ignore. Okay, git ignore is basically means that you put these files there which you don't push your repo. So let's see. I think I don't know how to put this. So I go to Cloud. Cloud, let me help us. Oh, sorry. I think it's still there. I think it's changing. Oh no. New chat. Hide this, please. Uh, Create a good note. Let me give that file for me. Oh, great. It's just a simple one. We just paste node modules and .env. Let me clear this one. So we don't like the, you know, extremely going good. Okay, that's good. Okay, and you can see you were coming inside of it. It's basically showing that Git is active and tracking these files. Git is not tracking these files, and we actually don't need it because we just download these kind of files with npm. You can see express, you can see .env, you can see bunch of other things, Axios, which are out of scope. Let's move to the next one. We done this. Okay, create .env with Mongo URI GW secret port click a API key. So I don't know what the mean of the click a API key. Uh, I think it's a pretty much about the circuit. Let's see. Uh, let's create this one. Yeah, it's good. It's looking good. Now we need the Mongo URI. This is a MongoDB URI, and yeah, GWT secret port 500 click API. First of all, I go to the click API. By the way, I will show my credential live because I will delete after the we can say the stream because it's spamming after all, and people I think don't do that because it's a headache. Okay, let's copy. Let me give 5 minutes. I think I should show my screen on this as well. Mm, where it is? Yeah. This is a website correct API. Let's see how it looks. Ads are coming. I think cloud-based API. Do join us. Correct API. Yeah, I need this live retired API guys. That as you can know that cricket is one of the most popular sport, not only in India and Pakistan but also Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and other South Asian countries. Uh, I don't know why it's getting so slow. Maybe yeah, or involved by Evolve API, player list API, code list API. Okay, yes, code API. Yes, we need this. I wanna go to the template because I am not using my primary uh, Gmail for this. Just copy. It's still loading. I don't know why it's so slow. It's saying Irfan, you have already an API key. Maybe I have already used it before. But forget. We have said, I think it's clickable, but not. Yeah, these are API keys. It's pretty much good. Let's see. मैं बताता हूँ ये सब। I think we are back again. Let's see where is the API key. Crypto payments available if you are certain country. No, no, we don't need. Yeah, this is the API key. So let's a.env. Let me zoom out. Yeah, and where is the API? Click API. Sorry, let me again move that section. Um, okay, and then we have added the Greek API key. Let's move on the Mongo URI. I think it's pretty much good. Port 50. Let's add this as well. I don't know how to use it, but yeah, if you are doing that, why not do that? GWT secret. I don't know why we need it, but I think it's still good to have that. Mongo URI, I think it's pretty much good. Okay, uh, I think I should make a new MongoDB string. I am. Let me show you the screen. Uh, okay, this is a MongoDB site. You can create your string there. Uh, the point is that I can't show how to get this due to security issue, but yeah, you can go get started. There is a explore atlas. Yes, we need this. Uh, he asking cluster name. Cluster name is nothing, just you can say a simple. Uh, I think I need some kind of help. Let's cloud. Tell me what the cluster is in MongoDB. What is the cluster? Okay, cluster is not a big deal. It's a big node, like a top level unit where you can manage your other smaller node. So I think that create free cluster. I would not use my primary Gmail for this. I would use my secondary. Mm. But again, it's not a big deal. Uh, I would love. I can show my screen. Let's add a screen capture. No, no. Window capture. Yes. Okay. Google Chrome. Okay, I will show you my screen. This is Explore cluster, cluster one. It is good to go. These are asking Azure, Google Cloud, AWS. Yeah, industry we have used AWS because it is industry standard. It has high quality services as compared to other. Let's move. Let's use that. Uh, let's move to the next section. Is asking the region. Yeah, for my it is in Asia. In Asia, I have two options: Singapore or Mumbai. Why it is coming like that? Okay, I would go with the why it is fucking sorry for the bad language. Okay, that's good. Mumbai. Okay, recommend region or Atlas or always friend. This is a bug, I think. UI, no, it's good. Okay, low carbon emission. Okay, create a free cluster. So he is asking deploy your cluster. We successfully create our cluster. Yeah, we can go with sign in with Google. It's pretty much easy. Uh, it's my random Gmail. I use pretty much that. Yeah, I have got a notification on mobile that I have successfully. What are services, man? Like I just create you can say a free cluster, and immediately I got the message in my phone, and pretty much good. Good. Okay, let's see what next we have to do. He's asking, I already have a cluster which is paused due to inactivity because as you know that I am pretty much good with the experiment. I mostly did experiment with different things, and maybe I use this. I don't have any idea. Let's who gets resume cluster. Okay, your clustering being created. It will took some time. Okay, let's finish it. Let's see anyone in the chat. No, there is still zero viewers and still zero likes, and it's approx 1 hour. I think it's not so good. Okay, we don't our waste our time. Let's do what we have to next do. I think it's not a big deal. It's a simple project. What we need a GWT secret. Let us what it is. What it is. GWT token is pretty much for your authentication, but I don't know why the use case is that and how. Okay, the GWT token is for the authentication. Like, why will you use it? Why will you use it? Okay, we use the GWT secret for a few goals, like related to security and trust, and the basic purpose is authentication. Like without a secret, anyone could create their own token, like 123 and admin and send it to your server protecting to be an admin. Okay, I don't know what it means. Okay, let me tell you why it necessary and what happen if we not use it. So yeah, uh, as we know that we have to check when we have yeah, web app that have a user kind of thing that we have to check is it a valid user or not. For checking that this is valid user, then we have to provide a token for that, and that token is a valid DWT. So the point is that DWT checks that it is a validness or not. Like so for example, if we not use the GWT, then anyone can interact with our server with any payload. Like anybody can have simple payload and just send a request over server, and and we already don't have put so much verification on it, and ultimately we got lost. So yeah, GWT is thing where we need to store GWT is correct. It's valid or not. अली भैया अच्छा ये किस्तों पे तो मैं शरीफ घराने से हूँ आप ठीक है घर में लगी है लेकिन आप मेरे सामने ये करेंगे मैं शरीफ घराने से हूँ मुझे ऐसा लगता आप मत समझे क्या चाहते हैं आगे से समोसे आपको समोसे खिलाऊं देखिए मैंने लड़का ऑलरेडी रखा हुआ है मैं मज़ीद लड़के अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता मुझ भी इस वक्त हमारी मुश्किलात का शिकार है हमको ये पड़ा हुआ है बात तो ठीक है बात तो ठीक है इज्जत तो पूरी रह जाएगी एक तो ऊपर से है भी नहीं इतनी Okay, we are back now. Let's do the next thing. As I told you that PWT token is the primary key to validate the user as a server and that communication. Like if you don't put a PWT token with anyone with a payload can easily hack your server uh, and can damage your privacy, can damage your data and other stuff like that. So the point is that we can provide a delivery token, but the question is how we can create. Okay, I have. Let me show you this setting first. Okay, no, this one. Okay, that's it. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, we can create like token, random token like node. Uh, E, E means you can directly execute your code there and control or basically uh, let me index.js. Basically, we have to run this code. Node means Node.js. We are asking Node.js, hey Node, send to one this file directory. Like console the log in the console with that thing, which is crypto module. Uh, in that module, we use the random bytes 62 to convert to string. So, Postgre is a built-in Node.js module. You don't need to install anything. It provides tool for encryption, hashing, which is secure random data, and you also use a random byte 64 6. Okay, this converts 64 random bytes of cryptographic secure data. Okay. So let put this one by typing console.log. You can just copy paste if you think you should. I prefer writing. Uh, yeah, The crypto, mm, yeah, crypto we have what? In crypto use random bytes of 64, I think, to string and use the hex that code I think. Uh, so we okay, that's great. We have used node console.log require crypto random bytes 64 and convert these to string and in hex. Okay, required is not defined. Where it is yes, still an issue. I don't know what is coming. I should copy. This is a random. Uh, sorry. Yeah, I I just hover and my and this is copy to my you can report for equal to that is and UWT secret. Yeah, that's it. It's pretty much good. Now what we need Mongo URI. Okay, I think Mongo URI select which is for Mongo DB URI. I am just going to the MongoDB. Yeah, I just got for Mongo URI. What is that? I don't even know that. What is my DB user? What is my DB password? I am thinking how I got this. And I think Mongo I should install as well. If not installed, yeah, it is activate. Okay, I think I don't have the DB password and you can say DB user. I think I think time database is think we should clear any user in the database access that is familiarity. Okay, so let me see. I am still stuck and don't find where I control the bigger one. अच्छा तो खोलते ना उसमें पड़ा हुआ था जितना कोई ले गया है तो इस पर शर्मिंदा हूँ कि मैंने देखा नहीं आप दोबारा भी जा सकते हैं स्नान के लिए वापस चलिए चलिए कोई नहीं मैं रखवा देता हूँ छोटे छोटे जी जी नजदीक नजदीक वाला कमरा आपका पड़ता है सही बात। देखें अब आप मैनेजर हैं आप ये छोटी चीजें हैं ठीक है कि आपको कौन सा अच्छा होता है वो हैंड शोल्डर का अच्छा झाग बनता है मजा नहीं आता ठीक है पसंद पसंद के साथ I'm still stuck where I can see a mail. Yeah, this is. I'm still trying to find where it is my. This is my project. Okay, that's it. In this project, I have a cluster, browse cluster, view monitoring, view one cluster, no create cluster. I already have. I want to know security. Let's ask to this cloud where it is. I think that MongoDB UI is pretty much good, but okay, database and network access, database and network access. Yeah, okay, that's it. I'm such a dumb ass. Okay, it is just for learning, so I don't think I would kept that after the streaming. I will delete it. I think I will delete it. Yeah, I will. Okay, edit password. I think DB user is good. DB user. Okay, let's replace this with a strong one. And custom built-in role, yes. Custom role, no, we don't need it. Add a description, password, update user. It's good to go. Let's creating a plan. Okay, it's good. I will choose this one, and I want that you update that. I think it's a good way of learning because you just only focus on the main thing, not the bullshit, bookish thing that don't need anything. Yeah, it's a you can say you are thinking, but who cares? Okay, this is the DB user, which is DB. This is my password. This is customer zero. Blah blah blah. App name. If you can change to this customer zero to something else, it would automatically create. Yeah. Okay, we done. We are pretty much good. We have done our 7 tasks. If someone, I think if someone will go with me, it will got much of the you can say arithmetic energy. But yeah, let's move to the create server.js, setup express app, call express JSON, Mongo's connection. Okay, so next task is okay, okay. Server.js. Let's create that file server. So yes, no, I think I will stack and leave server. Okay, that's okay. We create it. So we have to do this express app code express JSON Mongo's connection, and I don't know how to do that. But let's see how can we do. First of all, we have to do express app. I think if I Google that theory, I will got it. Still, oh shit, where is the thing? Okay, Okay, that's good. Okay, set up Express app. I will that thing Google. Let's Google that thing and what we got. Hello world example. Okay. We'll take off Express required Express 436 app that required. I think you should not remember these kind of things because we get easily. But yeah, if you express requiring express and you getting an app, then you are packaging this express to you. You are using the export which we already mentioned in .env, and yeah, export. Yeah, that's that's all. You can see for I think let's run that node server. Who creates this folder? I not create. The point is that I am still figuring out why it is not running. Actually, it is running. Uh, Localhost 5000 300. I think it will only be okay. 5000. No, it's not processing from really. Let me see how it process. How to process from env. Okay, it's good. I think we should first require this .env package. So that's why we can use env. Otherwise, it's not work. And you can use my process.env.port. It's pretty much good. And Okay, it's good. It's good thing on that. And I wanna see you if you move on. Okay. Now we don't actually need this. Yeah, I am deleting that page. Alright. Okay, this is simple hello world. Okay, it's good. Now we have set up Express app. It's time to set up our course. Express.js, Mongo selection. Completed stuff. Like this is so overwhelming. It's a software and just completely one fast. But the point is you have to do it. Otherwise, your life is completely fucked up for the whole life. It's just a piece of paper that anybody can draw. So yeah. Okay. The next task is the tools. Okay, the next task we have to set up the code. Code, if you ask from me about what is the code, then what? Of course, the code origin was resource sharing. Uh, it is a browser security mechanism that control whether a web page running on one origin. It's basically like what don't manage for your security. Like what happened if I can use the data of some other website in unintentional or illegal way. So to prevent mistake or misuse like that, we use code. So it's the code's origin resource sharing process and what counts a different origin. Like for example, your website is www.example.com, but someone wanna use your API and his domain is www.example01.com. So 01 is trying to access your API. So, and we of course not allowed it because it's your internal hardware and someone until you don't do it, he can't use your app. So that's the whole thing. By default, browser broke JavaScript for making requests to different origin. Then the on the page was loaded from. Okay, so this is some requests are same origin policy, some are chorus origin resource sharing, which I told you. Okay, key thing to know that it's been forwarded to the browser, not the server. The point is code is enforced by the server, not the browser. And things like hello, hello, वालेकुम अस्सलाम. दवाइयाँ ना में अल्लाह का बड़ा एहसान है. किससे कहने का join. रोटी आई रहती है जानते लगी तो दी होने मैं सारा नहीं जानता दी उदा लगी ये ठीक ना ना गर्मी है इसका मुझे ये हम्म तो आओ करना मैं ठीक है बाहर आए या वो वापस बाहर आए हम्म और ठीक है मैं ठीक है okay so sorry for disturbance where we are so the point is that we are discussing the core course is I don't know what to do I'm focusing let me google that thing so pronunciation pronunciation in English uh, course course okay course we have done that to know that what it is let see how can we set up that thing can you tell me Claude? I think I have a share to my Claude okay it's sharing remove that I think okay so what is this so okay okay how to set up can you tell me can you tell me how to set up the code in the in my cricket in my server.js of my project. Let's see. Yes, we already done that step. We don't need it. We already do that. So restriction to a specific origin. Okay, it's overwhelming. Like open the pop and ask him, give me a simple one. Give me a simple one, like a simple code that makes sense. Okay, we done this step. We have to do this, import that. We do that. Let's move to the next. Cross check. We also do that. Use code. Yes, app should use the code. That's very important. Until we don't need it at all. Okay, code is working. Okay, okay. Now it's time to use the Nodemon. That's why we use it. Nodemon server .js. So basically, no. Who the hell is that? Node. I am still stuck. Why it is not installing Nodemon? Who the hell it is? Let's install Nodemon again. But let's see package of JSON. It is Nodemon. Uh, I think yes, it is. But why we are not? We are not. We are unable to use. Okay. What it is? Why the bug is coming? Even though we injected from Vivian app user course. Okay, okay, okay. That's the issue, I think. But let me fix that. Okay, clear that. Run again. Let's read. Okay, it's saying that it is have some kind of issue. What it is issue? Format is this option? Yes, okay. WordPress app.use. I think it's good, but let's see. Okay, that's a bug. .dna, okay, express code, go, okay, .dna use code. I think there is an issue with app.use.core. Why it is still okay? That's good. So it has to cut and use this because we are creating an app at that point, but we are using a. Let me see. It is no, it's still not visible. It's already a header. Actually, we are creating the app at that point, and using at that. Let me look for a document for you. Uh, can we use an agent? Can we use an agent? Can you just format it? But let's see uh, how it is working. Let me crash this. I don't know. Okay, it's working. Let's see at localhost. Yeah, course is working. It's good. Let the agent should work and format the whole file first. It is a simple task, but it's getting so much time. Okay, we just need that one. Okay, we are good. We have set up our express app, set up code. Uh, Let me ask from the. Okay, if you think that you can create a file on the local host and local website. Okay, let's ask from a simple question from it. Can you give me a good test like a guided step test? Because I like the tested way, like what I have to do next. These information create, I think, more complexity. I think it's pretty much complex, but let's see how can we test this. You can create a simple HTML, I think. Test data HTML, I think it's good. You can start with this. Okay, content folder. I think where it is coming. Okay, I think maybe we have used 5,000. Then how is that? Okay, that we have uh, 5,000. Then that is a lot. That will do this stuff for you. I can put 50,000 is good. You got to I think we need to forward the paper page and let's see can we access directly through the Chrome. I think we should create a simple test.html for our purpose and it's not a pretty much good. As you can see that our node mode is running very well and we don't even need to restart our server again because the heavy part is lifted by the node mode. And I personally when I explore the node mode it's pretty much amazing. Like you can't believe that if someone have again uh, restart the server then it's become a headache and I would really like okay. I really like the remote. It's pretty much good. So we just create a simple HTML file. It is just a sync of function test fetch and it's try to wait. I don't know what is doing. What is shown here? Uh, I think uh, let's uh, let's comment that. Uh, I think it still don't change, but it has to change. Should we restart our server? Maybe we should. Let's debug that. Okay. Okay. What do we have to do if we follow other things? Apply to code. Okay. That's pretty much good. Yeah, I like it. I like in server you just only mention paste code is working, but where are the domain? Yeah, that's the course option, and yeah, course option. That's that's a pretty much solid thing. Uh, there it is. Okay, so this is app use course option. I think it's great. Let's move to the next section. Sorry. For now, we have set up Express course and app.json.